Ever wondered how to use CoinGecko for cryptocurrency information and research? Well, you're in the right place. CoinGecko is a comprehensive platform for all things cryptocurrency. It's your one-stop shop for prices by market cap, categories, chains, as well as the day's biggest gainers and losers. You'll discover what exchanges are out there, get the lowdown on website info, and even deep dive into charts, white papers, and wallets. So buckle up and get ready to master the art of using this powerful tool. Dive into the world of CoinGecko, where cryptocurrency data is at your fingertips. One of the first things you'll notice is the prices by market cap feature. This gives you a comprehensive view of the market capitalization of various cryptocurrencies, allowing for easy comparison and analysis. Moving on, you'll find the categories feature, a handy tool that classifies cryptocurrencies based on different parameters. This allows for a more streamlined search, helping you find specific cryptocurrencies with ease. Parallel to this, the chains feature provides a clear classification of cryptocurrencies based on the blockchain they operate on. Now let's not forget about the gainers and losers feature. This gives you a snapshot of the best and worst performing cryptocurrencies, providing valuable insights into market trends. Lastly, CoinGecko provides details on what exchanges each cryptocurrency is traded on, complete with charts, white papers, and wallet information. Understanding these features can help you make informed decisions in your cryptocurrency journey. CoinGecko is not just about prices, it's about comprehensive cryptocurrency analysis. Let's dive deep into its advanced features. One of them is the exchange feature, a treasure trove of information about various cryptocurrency exchanges. It's like having insider access to the bustling world of digital currency trading. Now let's talk about the charts feature. This is a visual storyteller, painting the tale of price trends for different cryptocurrencies. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals the past, present, and potential future of your chosen cryptocurrency. Next up is the white paper feature. This is your go-to library for the white papers of various cryptocurrencies. It's like having a personal guide to the very DNA of your selected digital assets. Lastly, we have the wallet feature. This lets you manage your cryptocurrency portfolios like a seasoned pro. It's like having a personal finance manager for your digital wealth. Armed with these advanced features, the world of cryptocurrency is in your hands. CoinGecko is your all-in-one platform for cryptocurrency information and research. We've explored how it stands as a comprehensive guide for prices by market cap, categories, chains, gainers and losers. We've delved into its advanced features, highlighting its ability to provide critical information about exchanges, website info, charts, white papers, and wallets. Each feature is designed to enable you to make informed decisions in the cryptocurrency market. With CoinGecko, you are one step closer to mastering the cryptocurrency market. Start exploring today.